Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram Notes. So Instagram Notes is a feature that lets you share short, text-based messages with your followers or people you follow back. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it effectively. So Instagram notes are a brief text update. You can update up to 60 characters that appear in the direct messages section of the app. You can see, I'm going to show you the my DMs. You can see this is a DE Instagram notes. So you can share thoughts, announcement, or quick updates. It is similar to a status. And how you can create one, you can open your Instagram application and then go to the direct message in here by clicking on this messenger icon at the top right corner. And here you can just find your notes section at the top of the DM screen. This is the DM. At the top of it, you'll see a section labeled as note, and where the other users notes might appear as well. So if you want to add a new note, you can just tap on your profile picture in the notes section with the text leave a note, this one, like click on it, and then you can just type your message, maximum 60 characters. Example, let's just type let's just board. Okay, you can just go like this, and here you can also select your audience by clicking on this. So the default settings is followers you follow back, so only mutual followers will see my notes. Or you can also share it only to your close friend, so only those on your close friend list will see it. So let's try. For example, I'm going to change it into my close friends list. Okay, you can just go back in here, and to personate the note you can just tap on share. But in here now on notes, you can also add music if you want to. Let's just add one. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the share button and choose the part of the music that you want to. Click on the check icon, and if you click on this, you can also write a prompt, so your prompt will be visible to anyone. Only your selected audience can see you started it and your response. Or you can also add a picture or a short video now. So when you are done, let's tap on share. Okay, so this is my notes, but if you want to delete it, you can also pull off this tab. So usually Instagram notes remain visible for 24 hours, and after it the notes will disappear automatically. But if you want to delete before 24 hours, you can just here tap your current note, and there will be this pop-up. Now you can just tap on delete note if you want to remove it. So notes cannot be edited. You'll need to delete and repost it if you want to make changes. And so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you still have questions, you can drop them in the comments. Don't forget to click thanks and subscribe for more Instagram tutorial. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.